Alright, here's a short video of my lumber flow currently. I stand here on the platform of awesomeness because I'm awesome. Anyways, comes off here. Now we had stuff here and over there, but kind of changed it around a little bit to where we're not working this end as much. Pretty much I've got a guy parked here that feeds the edger. Oh, hold on, before we get to that. Cants are back here. There's 8 foot 5.5, 10 foot 5.5. We're not making a whole lot of them right now. There's 10 foot 3.5. We're on 10 foot right now, cutting 9 foot ties. And the guy stands here and he puts the slabs here, puts the ties there, walks around if he gets a cant, which isn't so much, we're mainly trying for tie. He just shovels the sawdust into there. That's just random stuff. We got 3 blades on here right now. I'm going to show you just so you believe me, because I know you got to trust this shit. They come through here. I had that roller table here, but I went to that. Anyways, everything's getting cut into stringers right now because we're cutting mixed hardwood. So that's some elm on the top. It's actually real nice stuff. But yeah. If it won't make, this is a 10 foot pack, so if it's 9 foot, or if it only has a 48-inch piece in it, the 48s are up here, and I was just throwing some of the 8s over here, which I should have made another pack over here for 8s, or put another pack here, but the guy that tails here doesn't like to have 2 packs in the way. He's a diva, is what it is, and I just kept that. They're just throwing this stuff up here. That needs to get put into a pack also, which he just started throwing it there, and I don't know. So, sawdust comes out here. I try to keep it clean so I can drive around here. But I gotta get some mafia blocks and stuff. And yeah, and then all them short pieces go down there where that pile is. You can see that. Try to adjust the color. And they get chopped to 48s, which is a bundle right there of 48 stringers. And then, yeah, I don't know what that is. They just started putting it there. I don't know. I think it's going to go up to the moon, is how far they're going to put it. No. But, anyways, that's the flow right now. It sucks to do this with one person. I'm doing it right now with one person because of bananas. So, anyways, I'm just running all over the place the past couple days because unreliable people. But, anyways, I'm gonna fix this thing up. So, there's a conveyor down there and everything gets run through here, and there's an edger right here feeding this way. It's gonna feed onto the green chain, dump into the conveyor, go to another green chain up there, and everything will be done from right here. But the problem is, this building ain't big enough right now. So I gotta build a new building that's big enough. Even with an addition, it doesn't have the room because I've only got 18 feet here width-wise. But anyways, that's what I've got going on right now. Someone was asking about it, so figured I'd do it. But anyways, stay classy. Yeah, you cut my hair last night. Turned out alright, right? Huh? All by myself. You didn't have to pay no 20 bucks for a haircut. Just get out the old cheap shears and have right at it. But this is my, that's an Engineer pre-cleaner. That's not working too great. You want to angle your exhaust away from the intake because they put it so close. I've heard of people having black soot clog up their air filter. So I keep it angled away, and then when the head rig is back here, which is where it's running most of the time, wide open throttle, it's going right through there. So right outside for the neighbors to hear. I started moving some logs back there. And, it's a big mess right now. But anyways,